Once upon a time, in a small village, there lived a kind hearted family of five kids. Their parents were getting older and needed help with daily tasks. The eldest child, Sarah, was a responsible and caring girl who took it upon herself to make sure her parents were well taken care of. Sarah would wake up early every morning to prepare breakfast for her parents. She would cook their favorite meals and make sure they had everything they needed to start their day. After breakfast, she would help them with their medications and make sure they were comfortable. The second child, Jack, was a creative and innovative young boy. He noticed that his parents were having trouble walking around the house, so he decided to build them a wheelchair ramp. Using his woodworking skills, Jack carefully crafted a sturdy ramp that made it easier for his parents to move around. The third child, Emily, was a nurturing and compassionate girl. She would spend hours talking to her parents, listening to their stories and memories. She knew how important it was for them to feel loved and appreciated, so she made sure to always show them affection and attention. The fourth child, Michael, was a strong and hard-working boy. He noticed that his parents' yard was overgrown and needed some maintenance. He spent his weekends mowing the lawn, trimming the bushes, and planting colorful flowers. His parents were thrilled to see their garden transformed into a beautiful and peaceful space. The youngest child, Lily, was a playful and energetic girl. She loved spending time with her grandparents, playing games, and doing fun activities together. She would often organize scavenger hunts and movie nights, bringing joy and laughter to her parents' lives. As the days went by, the kids continued to take care of their parents with love and dedication. They made sure to involve their parents in family activities, always keeping them engaged and happy. They knew that their parents had sacrificed so much for them growing up, and it was now their turn to give back. One day, a terrible storm hit the village, causing a power outage and flooding. The kids were worried about their parents' safety and quickly sprang into action. Sarah lit candles and prepared warm blankets. Jack secured the doors and windows. Emily comforted her parents with soothing words. Michael checked for any damage around the house. And Lily entertained her grandparents with silly jokes. Despite the chaos outside, the family stayed calm and united, supporting each other through the difficult times. The kids' parents were touched by their children's selfless actions and felt grateful to have such loving and caring kids. After the storm passed and the village recovered, the kids realized the importance of taking care of their parents in their old age. They understood that it was a privilege to have their parents by their side and vowed to always be there for them no matter what. From that day on, the family lived happily ever after, cherishing the precious moments they shared together. The kids continued to take care of their parents with love and respect, creating a bond that would last a lifetime. And so, the tale of the five kids who took care of their parents in their old age spread throughout the village, inspiring others to show kindness and compassion towards their loved ones. It was a reminder that family is everything, and that no matter what challenges may come their way, love will always prevail in the end.